Hi everybody, okay, so I'm Serena.
And I'm Mahmood.
And we're the Business Rockstars. Okay, so today we're going to talk about a very important topic, and that is when the shit hits the fan. Over to Mahmood.
Thank you very much, Serena. So when you've got your shit shovel out, remember the words of Tupac Shakur. For every dark night, there's a brighter day. Couldn't put it better myself, and I wouldn't get the same level of royalties. So when you've got that financial calamity coming your way, when you've got a financial hellstorm, when you think all is over, do not hide under your duvet. Come out from under that duvet, grab the thing by the scruff and come up with some action. We've seen many businesses that are thrown about by turbulence, but many businesses survive and grab opportunity where there are challenges. Think about whether you want to go from offline to online. Think about diversifying what you're doing. Think about sticking to your core values, but actually looking for new markets, new opportunities. Put yourself together a plan, put those numbers in that plan, otherwise you've got an empty story, and plough ahead. Hope you found this useful. Read more on the blog.
Okay guys, to stop your shit hitting your fan, head over to the website, have a look at the blog, LinkedIn, Facebook, there's lots of information on there. Till next time, ciao.
Ciao.
Can I do it again? Mahmood, you're going to have to slow down.